Hello everyone. The most important reaction of five-membered heterocyclic compounds is electrophilic substitution reactions. Because in the regulating structures of these heterocyclic compounds, the negative charge moves along the ring, which makes the ring more electron rich. That's why the attack of electrophile takes place easily, and the reactions proceeds through substitution, because we all know, as in benzene, substitution conserve aromaticity. There is no loss in aromaticity by substitution reactions. That's why heterocyclic compounds, five-membered heterocyclic compounds, gives electrophilic substitution reactions. Then now, where electrophilic substitution takes place? As we know, this is the five-member heterocyclic compound. Here, the example we take pyrrole. In furan, there is oxygen with lone pair here and here. In thiophene, here sulfur, lone pair here and here. There is a similarity between pyrrole, furan and thiophene. In both, there is position 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 and 5 positions are same, which we designated as alpha and alpha dash, and 3 and 4 position are same, which we designated here beta and beta dash. That's why there are two positions, either alpha or beta, or C2 मतलब carbon second or carbon 3, where substitution can be takes place. So where substitution takes place, it is shown by the following reaction. What is the reaction? As we here take an example of pyrrole. In pyrrole, when electrophile attack, in one step we can show the equation as here H plus gone, carbon 2 acquire negative charge, in negative charge electrophile attached. So this is a reaction in one step. How it takes place? We saw here the electrophilic substitution takes place at C2, not at C3. So the reason behind this, we show it by taking an example. When electrophile takes place at C2, C2 means this carbon. This is carbon with number 2, because number is starting from heteroatom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 and 5 positions are same, which we designated alpha alpha dash, and 3 and 4 positions are also same, which we designated as beta and beta dash. When electrophile attacks at C2, then the bond breaks into carbon 2. Here comes minus, and minus adds electrophile as in this manner, as we saw there. Here a hydrogen present already in the ring. Then here comes positive. Positive charge is in resonance with the pi bond. तो चार्ज सिंगल डबल, तो चार्ज इधर डबल उधर हो गया, and this positive charge is neutralized by nitrogen lone pair by giving one electron and then sharing of one electron each. This. The total 3 resonating structures are there. Step 2, which is a fast step, here aromatization, which means loss of proton. Here H plus gone. Here comes minus, minus and plus forms a pi bond. That is why this is 2 substituted pyrrole. Again, when attacks takes place at C3, then this bond breaks into carbon 3. Here minus, here comes minus charge. Electrophile attached to carbon 3. Here comes positive. Positive charge is neutralized by nitrogen lone pair. So here two resonating structures. Again, the second step is removal of proton or aromatization. H plus gone. At C3 minus charge comes, minus and plus charge forms double bond. Now the system is again aromatized and substitution takes place at 3 positions. So here we can see when electrophile attack at C2, there is resonating structures numbers 3. 3 resonating structures are possible. However, when attack at C3, only 2 resonating structures are possible. That's why this is less stable, this is more stable. Therefore, substitution takes place at C2 rather than C3. But when substitution takes place at C3, when both the positions, yani when both alpha and alpha dash, or when both 2 and 5 positions are blocked. Blocked means if there is already presence of substituent. It means here already X and Y are present. That's why these positions are now blocked. Then substitution takes place at C3. I hope you will understand it. Here, the order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution. Here you can say pyrrole gives electrophilic substitution reactions more easily than furan, which in turn give more electrophilic substitution reactions than thiophene. It means the reactivity of pyrrole is more than furan, furan reactivity is more than thiophene, and thiophene is more reactive than benzene. All the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds are more reactive than benzene. This is an important point. These are more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Why it is happening? Because in heterocyclic compounds there is a heteroatom. Heteroatoms are electronegative. That's why they increase the reactivity towards electrophilic substitution. Friedel-Crafts, this is the example we can see in pyrrole, in furan, in thiophene, in benzene. In benzene, we take an example of Friedel-Crafts acylation in which acetyl chloride is reacted with benzene with substrate, whichever you take place in the presence of catalyst AlCl3, which is a strong Lewis acid. What happened? H here, H hydrogen atom is substituted by COCH3. H and Cl. That's why HCl gone outside, and here comes COCH3, acetyl benzene, that is called acetophenone. So in all the reactions you can see COCH3 group introduced. We already discussed here. The substitution takes place at C2. So here COCH3 comes at C2 positions. But how can we say pyrrole is more reactive than furan, furan is more reactive than thiophene, thiophene is more reactive than benzene? The region is under the use of reagents. In pyrrole, we require no catalyst. Only acetic anhydride is capable for acylation. In furan, we take boron trifluoride, which is a Lewis acid but more weaker for acylation. In thiophene, we take Lewis acid, which is stronger acid than boron trifluoride. In benzene, we take more strong Lewis acid, that is AlCl3, to form acyl derivative of benzene. So this is the reason. By this we can show the reactivity of heterocyclic compound towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.